Hey everyone, it's Marsha from RyanandMarsha.com, where I teach fun activities for toddlers and kids, and today I'm going to show you how to make a daisy chain. First, you need to pick a bunch of flowers. Next, what you want to do is remove any extra greenery. You can either pick them off with your fingers, or you can lightly pinch the top of the stem between your two fingers and slide your fingers downward to strip off the excess. Now that the stems are clean, you can trim the flowers to equal lengths. Next, you're going to use your fingernail to make a small slit in the stem. If you want your flowers closer together, make your hole higher up on the stem. Be careful not to make the slit too close to the bottom of the stem though, or else the stem may tear in half. Now you're going to pick up a second flower and thread the stem through the slit you just created. After this, you will make a small slit in this stem and then lace a new flower through that hole, and then repeat until your daisy chain has reached your desired length. To finish the chain, you will make a slit in the stem that is big enough to push the head of the flower through. Again, be careful not to make the slit too close to the bottom of the stem or it will split in half. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!